Hey everyone, and welcome back to Homeidea channel. Today we're tackling a common challenge, designing a dream home in a bustling city. How do you create a space that feels connected to nature while still maintaining your privacy? One of the biggest draws of a single-family home is having your own yard, a place to soak up the sun and enjoy the outdoors. But in urban areas with limited space and close neighbors, feeling truly private in your yard can be difficult. It captures the benefits of both worlds. This unique space welcomes the vibrancy of nature and city life, while still offering a sense of privacy. Imagine a courtyard enclosed by walls, but with a twist. The middle part of the walls opens up, letting in light and fresh air. The upper part is adorned with a beautiful brick mesh that filters sunlight, creating a stunning interplay with the sky. It's both stylish and functional. But wait, there's more. The courtyard dips down, surrounded by a glistening wall that opens upwards towards the sky. This creates a completely private space bathed in sunlight, your own personal urban oasis. The half-open courtyard on the first floor is a showstopper. Towering 8.5 meters high, it offers a grand sense of space that's impossible to replicate indoors. This open area connects the main rooms on both floors, becoming a central hub for the family to gather and bond. This design doesn't just look amazing, it's functional too. Sculptural elements seamlessly blend with the overall layout, creating a sense of completeness that caters to all your needs. Walls and columns are transformed from simple mass into spaces that are both powerful and elegant. Ultimately, a home should be a place of comfort. And comfort starts with convenience. The layout prioritizes easy access to essential areas like the kitchen and laundry room. Communal areas are designed to be warm and inviting, while private spaces are carefully positioned for individual peace and quiet. So whether you're dreaming of a city home or just love innovative design, this concept offers a perfect blend of nature, privacy, and functionality. Let us know in the comments below what your ideal urban oasis would look like. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.